what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna prank my mom. She's actually out. She went to drop my dad off somewhere. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know if you guys can tell by my voice, but I've had a cold for a few days now, and I'm just getting over it, and I'm in the like cough stage kind of place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this cold flu liquid medication and I'm going to substitute it with this. So I know like there's like grape juice and there's like a bunch of other things you can use, but this one, like the size is good. So I just figured I'd use that. So what I'm going to do is, I don't have that much time, so I'm going to put it in a bottle, which I have to go find, and then I will show you guys how it's done. Be right back. The evidence. Okay, I'm going to put them right here. She's not gonna look here. And then, okay, so I'll put them here, and then I'll put this in front of them like this. Fantastic. Okay, we're good. Okay, so put this like this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
Margaret?
Yeah.
Vill du ha allt
I guess.
Yes, och خلينا نخلص يا أكلت.
إيه كنت بنحل.
خلينا كده. يا حبيبي فيهم.
ماما هيدا للسعادة شيء؟
شو؟
نستعمل هيدا السعادة؟
إذا ما جيت سالك قصدي الصيفية تروح لوحدها.
keep coughing.
لا تعال تروح. خدي نتفسك في البراد.
It's not even that bad. Some people drink it like juice, Mom.
ما بتعودوا كثير على الاشياء الهيدي. الادوية. ما بيسوى يا بنتي هلا صحتكم تتعود على الادوية. Bad, that is bad.
Where should I put it?
Eh?
Where should I put it?
Where you just put it, I don't know.
Is there a cup or something?
شو؟
Is there a cup or something?
طب شو؟ لا 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 حتى الملعقة. نتفة صغيرة. لا 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 سمي الموت رح اتذكر فيها كلها شو تشربي كوفي انت؟ مجنونة؟ مسحيون كل مسطولة I don't like this طلعتي كل الدنيا مسحي صوب الدنيا كلها
Nothing's gonna happen.
منو جورج مش هون؟
Mom! Mom! It's a prank.